Hey, what's up everybody? It's TF Tallfrenchy True Facts, and today we have a special guest.
Hi.
So what are we doing today?
I'm going to be teaching him how to make slime.
Slime? What?
So first we need activator.
Laundry soap.
And then we need glue, 2 bottles of glue. You don't have to have it, but food dye.
So what are we going to end up putting this in? How are we going to make it? What are we doing?
We're going to put it in this.
Alright, and then what? Well, what do we start off with? What's the first thing?
Glue.
Alright, let's start off with that. Let's do it.
Okay, so we open the glue bottle.
Okay, you want to do both of them at the same time?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, that's good. Okay. And then pick your food color. Mine's blue.
Well, I am going to pick orange.
Okay. So you
Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could
mix colors.
Alright.
I'll put a drop in here.
And I'll do this one orange.
And then pink.
Alright.
Purple. And then which
one?
colors should you mix?
Well, what's orange and green make?
Well, we don't have green.
Right there.
Oh, that's blue.
Oh well.
Tell us in the comments. I'm gonna go get a spoon.
Alright. So now that we have the dye in there, what do we do? Now that is orange right there. I might have put a little bit too much, but...
It's fine.
So do you want to wash the spoon or what?
We can wipe it.
We'll be right back. I'm gonna get more paper towel to wipe the spoon off.
Yeah.
Alright, so which one are we doing?
This one, the purple one.
This is the first time me making it, so yeah. I'm learning.
Okay, that's good.
Alright. So here's another paper towel.
So now we're just gonna wipe it off.
Yeah.
Like we did to the first one.
We don't want to mix the color, it'll be ugly.
Yeah.
Confusing.
Because you put little drops at a time.
No, I know, but then you put that and...
Yeah, I know you put little drops.
Oh, alright. I thought you were talking about the dye.
No.
Alright, so here's
You
one
can
more.
put as much as you want.
Ooh, so it's what?
Green.
Dark.
It actually looks kind of cool. It looks like a marble. Because you know how it's fluffy?
Yeah.
The shaving cream?
You want me to go get my shaving cream?
Yeah. We'll use it on this one.
So I'm gonna go get my shaving cream real quick. I will be back in one moment.
As much as you want.
So I just squirt it in there or what?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, that's a lot. So that's all you do right there?
Yeah, you just mix it.
Alright, should I get more paper towel?
Yeah.
Alright.
We'll be right back. I think you might have put too much, but...
You said put as much as you want. So I would have filled the whole container. Put...
This will be really light.
Here.
Alright, let's mix this one back.
Getting messy over here.
Yeah.
It got on here.
It's fine. I can just wipe it off.
No.
My blanket!
Now what?
We're gonna put the activator in.
What? What are we doing?
We're putting the activator. Well, all of it anyways, pretty much.
There's still some, but if we need any.
Okay, so now we're gonna just put a little bit at a time.
Alright.
That's a little, that's a lot. You can go in with your hands. I'm just using it.
Alright, guys. We're starting it. Yeah.
It looks like cottage cheese. I need some more.
So just keep going at it.
Yeah.
Guys, I made my first slime. What? No, this is how you do it. No.
You need more activator.
Are you sure? Can you pour it on my hands? You keep touching my hand. We're doing good. We're doing good, guys. My hands were messy. Her hands were messy. And
It's starting to come together.
so, guys, we're going to fast forward to after our colors are done. Her color is almost done. And we're going to be moving on to next one.
Like this.
Show the camera that.
You just do that.
It's
like slapping.
That's so weird how it does that.
I know. Well, it's like it's family.
Alright.
We got the orange everywhere.
I'll do the purple one then.
Okay.
Alright. Cool. Dig in. Here, let me grab.
At least they're small. These ones are small.
I can finish the pink if you want, and you can start it.
Okay.
Alright, guys, so what happened was I finished my purple ahead of time because I put a lot of activator in there. So we're going to get her started on the blue one.
Yep.
There you go.
And he's just gonna finish mine for me because he already finished it.
So let's put the... I think I'm a pro already.
Yeah. You're better than me. It's okay.
You're going to have to make... Yeah.
It's okay. You know why?
Why?
Because it's the ugly slime.
Huh. The cock-a-doodle butt.
Yeah. It's called butt slime. It's called the cottage cheese slime. You know why?
Why?
Because it's moldy.
Alright, so we did them all and the results came out to... What is that? That's the first one, right?
This is my first one, and it's orange slime.
And this is my first one, and it is...
Green. So this is my pink slime number 2.
And this is the purple one that I did number 2. Not least, Olivia wanted me to do the blue one because she's going to be putting the Play-Doh in the purple one after I do this. So, alright, the blue one came out to a teal.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It's not that stretchy, but it's because it's fluffy slime. So.
It is fluffy. We got some shaving cream in it by accident, but...
Yeah, but I like it.
That's alright. Came out nice, guys.
Now we're gonna put the Play-Doh into this purple slime because it's purple Play-Doh. So yeah. Let's start. See?
Well, this is why you do not put Play-Doh in slime. It did not work. We even tried putting activator in it, more laundry soap. And nope. Still nothing. It's a mess. It's everywhere. So we're gonna try putting a little more in there.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't work, then I think it will work. But
because we've been adding activator like crazy.
So they shouldn't do that, right?
Yeah. Stretch.
So it ended up working, right?
Yeah, because we've been using a lot of activator.
Alright. Thank you guys
For
tuning in. Subscribe button.
and like button.
More videos coming soon.